tomorrow, back here again with Flex MP, bringing a special edition Thanksgiving workout of the week, or Wow Wednesday. I wanted to keep it in this box. If you can see these lines beside me, these are definitely for COVID when we were running groups in here. But the point of it is, a lot of you guys can be at home, and if you're choosing to work out home, whether it be before the day, after the day of, I wanted to provide a great full body strength, mobility, and metabolic endurance. So you're gonna feel looser after this workout, you're gonna sweat, you're gonna build some muscle, and of course, what everybody wants, to boost that metabolism. And the best part, you don't need anything but your body, and you don't need much space either. Now, if you're here in Rochester, you may not wanna do this outside, but if you have nicer weather, definitely can do it outside. There's all gonna be time, and I'll put some of those notes below, but we're just gonna go through this right now. First one is a box bear crawl, definitely some variations. So what you're gonna do is set up into this bear crawl. So hands below the shoulders, knees below your hips, and you're just gonna move within whatever space that you have, forward, back, side, side. You're just gonna keep moving. Keys to this one, make sure you stay in this strong bear crawl plank position. So not butt up in the air, not rounded back or arching. And if that one's too hard, just hold that bear position, that plank position. From there, pretend like you have a clock. So 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, all the way back to 11 o'clock, back to 12 o'clock. And you're just gonna, in your head, or you can partner up, which would be really fun with this one, have them just call out the time. So for example, 12 o'clock. And this will help it with mobility at 11 o'clock. You know, we could go, let's make sure I do this right, 9 o'clock. You know, things like that, 6 o'clock. And just play around and switch up with those legs. One is showing your ranges of motion, your mobility, so you kind of know where you're at. But think about it, like, so say, what if I said like 3 o'clock, things like that. But again, move within your own ranges with that one. So maybe you're staying within partial ranges, maybe you're not hitting the whole clock, but it's definitely a fun one that's gonna get you a good workout, but also create some mobility. From here, bridge reaches. You've seen me do this one before, so I had to throw this in. With this, shoulder blades squeeze back, hand here, press through, lift the hips. Now, I do come in contact with a lot of people that can't do that, so maybe it's just this, and I even see some shoulder issues with people, so you might turn your hands this way. But if you can, ideally, squeeze those shoulder blades together, because again, a lot of us live this anterior lifestyle, so shoulder blades lift up, or if you can, alternating bridge reaches. A few more left here. Now we've got a beast to a push-up. We got 2 more movements here. So what this looks like is you're gonna sit back into that beast, drive forward into that push-up. So from the side, this is great for hip and low back mobility. If it's too hard here, you can just go to your knees, drive forward, and then again, knees on your push-up, or just regular push-up. So beast, push-up. You might have seen me do this one before as a mobility, where I do something really, really slow and controlled like this. So that could be a warm-up drill before all this, or even something at the end of this workout. And last but not least, yes, we had to throw in a burpee variation. But if you know me well enough, we don't just do straight burpees. There's gotta be a variation. And you're like, how is he gonna throw mobility into it? Well, let me show you. Okay, we all know that burpee. So you're gonna go down into that burpee with or without the push-up, because we just did them. And then these kick through. So you step, kick through, pop back. Jump is always optional depending. Back here, and just alternate sides. So what's the variation? Well, you can just squat down, put those feet back, just step a leg here as best you can, and just drive that leg through. Try to keep the leg more here to activate core. Too high could impact that hip flexor. So there you go. Again, this is gonna be a time interval one. Get that heart rate up there, get those muscles moving, and again, increase mobility, improve strength and stability. Again, stability with this one as well as all those abilities, and then your metabolic endurance. So why don't burn some fat? So I know that's a goal for a lot of you, especially when we're going into Turkey Day. Remember, don't punish yourself. Fitness, food, it shouldn't be this effect of punishment. It should be enjoyed with friends and family appropriately, especially during this COVID season. Anyways, I'm grateful for a lot. Hopefully you're grateful for a lot this season, especially if you're live during such a crazy 2020. I'm grateful for all my viewers out here that continue to support and watch my channel here, whether it be on YouTube or on Instagram. So have a blessed weekend, blessed holiday, and again, like, share, subscribe, click on that notification buttons, and comment and share with a friend. Even if you may not find value in this, I'm sure there's somebody is. Take care.